What's going on, guys? For watching sneaker news on YouTube, and today we are taking a closer look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 315 V2 Israfil. The design style of the entire pair of shoes is Kanye's favorite Westland style. The upper is made of blue-gray as the main tone. Supplemented by primate woven material. The iconic side penetration is presented in raw rubber color, which presents a strong visual impact with the upper. The heel still uses a shoeless design. The whole pair of shoes looks simple and capable, very suitable for summer wear. The midsole is outlined with a green-blue finish and raw rubber outsole. While enclosing the upper, it perfects the design of the entire pair of shoes. The color scheme looks very grand. Okay, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.